Hey guys, I'm Wes and welcome back to my channel. So this week I built a bird feeder. It's pretty simple to make. All you need is a table saw, a miter saw, and just a handful of nails and a hammer. So if you want to see how I made it, stick around. Okay, now I have all the parts cut and it's just time to assemble it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Starbond CA glue to glue it all together. And then I'm gonna add some finishing nails to hold it all together. I'm just gonna make a little tick mark at 2.5 inches so that I know where to line it up. A little bit of CA glue on, a little bit of activator. Important to make sure your grooves are on the inside. Make sure it's all flush and square. Glue on the other side. Okay, and then we're gonna put the end pieces on next. And this just helps to stop all the bird feed from falling out. I love this glue. It's like having a second pair of hands. You just hold it for 15 seconds and then it should be dry. And then we'll put the sides on. So we can set that to the side now that it's all glued together. And now it's time to put the roof together. I just cut two 45-degree bevels and they're just going to get glued up together. I love this Starbond glue. It's like a second pair of hands. Pretty sure I said that before, but it's awesome stuff. I'll see if I can find a link to it on Amazon and I'll put it in the description for you guys. There, it goes on like that. So now you guys can get an idea of what it's gonna look like. So now let's add some nails to this to make sure it never falls apart. So to avoid any splitting, I am going to pre-drill my holes for my nails. So this is what I'm gonna be using for a finishing nail. It's about, I think, 1 3/4 inches long. Small head on there. And then for the supports that are going to hold up the roof, I am going to screw them together. I feel better about that. And I'm just going to measure where to put my screws. Now that it's assembled, we can get the measurements for our plexiglass. And it's just as simple as sliding them in. So now we need to attach the string, which is also going to serve the purpose of holding the lid on at the same time. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in here, and we're going to sit it on top and drill a hole through, and then we're going to fasten a string to it. Now it's pretty much done, but I'm just gonna sand all the rough edges down. I don't want the birds to get any splinters because I want to have good reviews on Google. So that is it for this project, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'll try to do my best to answer all of them. And if you're new to my channel, I encourage you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. And like always, we'll see you in the next one.